Hello, welcome, কেমন আছো, কেম છો, সত শ্রী আকাল and namaskar. Today this video is about some interesting unknown facts about the most powerful of prey bird in the world. Any guesses? It's one and only the harpy eagle. This new tropical species of eagle is also known by the American harpy to distinguish it from the Pipuna eagle. Let's get some deeper. This bird can grow to 36 to 40 inches and its talon reach to 5 inches, more than 2 times the length of the grizzly bear claws. Yes, you heard me right, 2 times the length. Now let's look how their food platters look like. The harpy's most primary food source are mammals, monkeys, birds and reptiles. According to the IUCN, the total population size of this bird is around 20,000 to 50,000 individuals. Did you know about it? Do comment. For more further videos, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you. Bye.